everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another advent calendar to share with you, and it is Benefit All I Want 24-day advent calendar. This retails for £145 and it has a value of £281, and it contains all of Benefit's fan favourite products. Now when I first opened this, I was like, oh, it's really small. I was really taken aback by it. I was expecting it to be a lot bigger. I've been unboxing Benefit advent calendars on my YouTube channel for many years, and we're used to getting cute little advent calendar boxes, as most of the products are little sample sizes or deluxe sizes. Normally it's around 55, say £60. So this one at £145 is a huge price increase. And even though Benefit products, you know, they're not massive, but I was expecting it to be a lot bigger. It's about the size of a box of chocolates, basically. But I am excited to open it. I do love Benefit. Their brow products are amazing. Their blushes are amazing. So yeah, really excited to see what's inside, and also see if it's worth it. See what the sizes are like as well. If you're interested in this one for yourself, then as always, I'll pop it down below in my description, as well as all my other discount codes and offers for other websites and any giveaways I've got running. So you're welcome to take a look down there if you want to. So yeah, so let's open it up then. Look at it. It is very cute. Alright then, starting off with day number 1 up the top here. We got a They're Real Magnet Mascara. Does it say the sizing? We got 3 grams there, and this is in black. Now Benefit actually reached out to me when they released this, and they sent it to me to try, and I didn't like it, unfortunately. As I said, I do love Benefit. Oh! Apologies, you can hear a helicopter outside. I adore so many of Benefit's mascaras. There might be a few others in here as well. I absolutely love them. But this one and the original, They're Real, I just don't like. It just doesn't suit my lashes, unfortunately. So I'll be passing that one on. Day number 2 down here. Oh, what is this? It looks like a perfume atomizer. Oh, it's a brush. Look. Cute. It's a blush. It's a blush brush or a bronzer. I really like that. So soft. Really soft. Yeah, I like that. Really happy with that. Day number 3 down here. And we've got a brow setter. This is a 24-hour brow setter, and there's 2 mils here. So a little mini. Yeah, this is lovely. I've been using this for years. Again, you might have heard me mention this in previous videos, because I do receive Benefit products in different beauty boxes and things. I'm not keen on the wand, but the actual formula is brilliant. I would much prefer if the wand had more of a grip, because I've got very sparse, thin brows. It does work, but I prefer it to be more like a mascara wand, you know, so it just grabs my brows better. But if I didn't receive them in beauty boxes, I'd still buy it because the formula is great. It's really long lasting. Day number 4 here. What is this? This is tiny. This is a Plush Tint, a moisturising matte lip tint. 2 mils. Oh, I love these lip tints. The ones that stain and never come off, you know? Yeah, lovely colour. Really nice, but very small sizing so far for quite a pricey advent calendar. I'm hoping this sort of easing us into it. We'll get bigger sizes as we go along. Day number 5 up here. I've got a Bad Girl Bang mascara. This is brilliant. It's really long lasting. You can get amazingly black, super black eyelashes. I do really like this, and the wand is great as well. I've got very thin, straight lashes, so very fussy with my mascaras, but this one is good. It is good. Day number 6 down here. Oh, we got a massive full size, first time full size product, Fluff Up Brow Wax. I've only ever had little minis of this before. See, this little wand is what I prefer. If the brow gel came with this little wand, that'd be brilliant, but I could swap them, I suppose. So yeah, I prefer the brow gel than this brow wax. It's still a product I would use. So no chuff that you got full size item there. Day number 7. Can't see it. Up here, we've got a mini Hoola. This is a little bronzer, Hoola bronzer. This is gorgeous. It's such an iconic bronzer. It's a nice tone. It can use for contour as well. It's just really nice. Really lovely. Just a little bit smaller than the full size. Day number 8 here. Oh, we got something new. I haven't tried this before. Fanning and Volumizing Mascara Fan Fest. Wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is funny on the camera. I've never seen this before. FanFest, is this new? Oh, I like it that it's got a curve as well. If you've tried it, let me know what you think. But no, I haven't heard of this before. It's got a mascara, a new one, FanFest. Day number 9 over here. We've got the Tint. This is the original rose tinted lip and cheek stain, and there's 2 mils there. So it's teeny tiny, teeny tiny. But I won't be putting that on my skin because it is super, super long lasting. Although saying that, I did put this lipstick, didn't I? I wouldn't use it on my cheeks, but I'd use it on my lips. I have tried it on my cheeks before, but because I've got quite a lot of redness underneath my makeup on my cheeks, that when I apply anything like a liquid then, and I have to blend it in, cream's not so bad because I can use a beauty blender and blend in softly on top. But when I have to blend something like this in, I tend to like pull the makeup and then the redness just comes through. So yeah, I won't use that for my cheeks, but I use it for my lips as I love a stain. Day number 10, They're Real. This is the original mascara we saw at the beginning. I think it was day 1, the They're Real magnet, but this is the original, and there is 3 grams here. So yeah, out of all the mascaras, this is the only one that I just don't get along with. So I'll pass that on. Day number 11 up here, and we've got the Purifying. This is the new skincare range that came out a little while ago. I haven't tried any of it yet. This is the Deep Retreat Pore Clearing Clay Mask, and there's 10 mils here. I just want to smell it. It doesn't smell of anything. So it's a clay mask. I absolutely love their pore products, the Purifying primers. And yeah, really excited to give this a go. It is small, it is a tiny sample. We're nearly halfway through the calendar and I am a little bit disappointed in the sizing, but we haven't finished yet, so you never know. Day number 12 up here. And we've got a little mini blush. This is Terra Blush. The packaging is really nice, isn't it? So that's what it looks like. Let's try a little bit on my hand there. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, I really like that. I haven't tried that one before, so that's a new shade for me. Day number 13, down here. And I have got another mini. This is a Shelly Warm Seashell Pink Blush. There. That's nice. I like that. A pale pinky blush. That was pretty. Day number 14, and this is a splash tint. What is a splash tint? Moisturizing Dewy lip tint. Okay, there. So it's a little mini and in shade Heat Wave. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Pure red. I really like that. Yeah, happy with that. Although it's so small. It is tiny. Day number 15, down the bottom here. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, brilliant. I love this. I love this. It's a roller lash, full size roller lash mascara. And I think this is the very first time I've ever owned a full size. I've had loads of minis. I've bought little minis. But look at the wand. The wand is non-existent, but it really does work. And it's got like a slight curve to it as well. But yeah, it's really great. I absolutely love the roller lash liner. I hope it's in here. I can't remember if it is or not. I don't know. I basically look at things, get really excited, think, right, I'm going to get it, and then I completely forget. I don't know if it's an ADHD thing or not, but my memory is really bad. But yeah, I'm happy with that. Really happy. Day number 16 here. And we've got a mini Willa. This is a soft neutral rose blush. I do love the packaging. Look. That's really pretty, isn't it? Okay, let's do it on the side there. Can you see? Those are the 3 blushes. It's a little bit more pigmented than the other one I showed you. Oh, that's nice. Willa, I like that. Day number 17, down the bottom. And we've got a little teeny tiny Gimme Brow. This is a tinted brow gel. It has little fibres, so it sticks to your natural hairs, creating more of like a fluffy look. And have we got a shade here? It normally is in different colours. Yeah, number 3, which is sort of middle of the range shade. But you can see a tiny little brush there. I do like this. I do like it. It's nice for grabbing the little hairs. Day number 18, up here. Oh, it's another big one. Titan Toned Purifying AHA PHA Toning Foam Mousse Tonique. And we have got here 22 mils. It's great to have a nice big size, so I'm able to really try it and see what it's like. Love the fact that it's got AHA, BHA in there. Again, as I said, I've never tried anything from the skincare range. Yeah, use daily AM and PM. So there's that. Day number 19. Down here we've got the Professional Setter. This is Super Setter for Benefit. I've got lipstick all over my hands now. And there's 15 mils here, so it's a setting spray. It's supposed to help like diminish the look of pores. I have tried it before, but I wouldn't say wow, no different to any other setting sprays really, but maybe I just need to give it a better shot. Yeah, haven't got much of an opinion of it. Day number 20 up here. Oh, now this is brilliant. This is so good. It's a pore primer. I'll show you what it looks like. You're bound to have seen it before, but if not, I will show you. So it's like a slightly tinted mousse. It's not really tinted, it does blend into your skin, but it's like a moussey formula that you just rub into your pores and it makes your skin feel so amazing, but it does. It just blurs your pores out completely. I love it, and I continually buy this over and over again. It's one of my staple makeup products. Yeah, really happy to have another one, and a good size as well, a full size. Day 21 down here, and we've got Precisely My Brow. This is an eyebrow pencil and shade 4. It hasn't got a lid, but it's really teeny tiny, so you can get some nice strokes from there. This is a little bit darker than what I normally go for. Number 3 is my favourite for Benefit. But look how lifelike those strokes are. You can get some really nice looking strokes there to mimic hairs. Day number 22 here. Let's see if it's a highlighter. We haven't had a highlighter yet. No, this is Krista Strawberry Pink Blush. Lots of blushes. Wow, look at that. That's crazy colour, isn't it? But beautiful and darker skin tones. Oh, that would be amazing. Like a strawberry pinky blush. Yeah, very pretty. Day 23 over here. And we have got the light version of the primer that I just showed you. The Professional Light Primer, 7.5 mils. So this is a little mini. I've tried it a few times, but I do prefer the other one. But it's nice if you do want something a bit lighter. Last day in the box, day number 24 over here. And we have got something for your skin. This is the Professional Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser. And there's 19 mils there. So it's a pore cleanser. What's it say here? Apply to face and massaging gently, circular motions, rinse, use daily AM and PM. And it just says use after the Get Unblocked cleansing oil. But yeah, so there you go. So those are all the products inside this year's Benefit 24-day advent calendar. The cost of the advent calendar is £145. I am a little bit gutted. I love Benefit. I absolutely love Benefit. I buy a lot of their products. So I was really excited when I found out that they were bringing out a more luxury advent calendar, or supposedly a more luxury advent calendar based on the price point. As I said previously, you know, they were selling them for around £60. So this is a huge jump up in price. Besides just maybe 3, 4 that are full size, all the others are either deluxe mini or really small sizes, and some even teeny tiny samples, which is not what I'd expect in a calendar of this price. It is a lot of money, £145, a huge amount of money, but the value is £281. What do you think of this advent calendar? Have you bought it for yourself? Are you watching thinking, oh, I really like it, I'm going to get it? Or are you watching it thinking, nah, not for me this year? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. I am glad I got it, but I am disappointed because £145 is such a lot of money, and I don't feel that I've got the value there, even though the value is double of what I paid. Please comment down below your thoughts, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.